Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can use soundbar on Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and here we go. Now, this error of soundbar not working is usually by uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. If you're getting a similar error, then you just use the following steps to uninstall Discord. First of all, open your run by just pressing Windows plus R, then search for person, local app data person. Inside it, there will be a folder of Discord. Simply delete it and then just go to your control panel and also delete Discord from there. After that, just go to your browser of your choice and search for Discord download. Open the first given site and download the setup. Then install it and also log in with your account. Now, open up your Discord and select a server. Make sure you are inside a voice chat as it only works inside it. Once you are connected with the server, select the soundbar option and a small window will appear. This window will have a limited amount of sounds that you can use. You can also upload from your device by tapping on this option here. And that's how you can use soundbar on Discord. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.